What is up, Fishy Fam? And today we are gonna go be fishing some urban spots that nobody fishes. Everybody just walks over them and does not even think about fishing them. So we got our tiny rod here, and we're gonna go catch some big fish in some small areas. All right, guys. So we're making our way down this pretty sketchy bridge down to there. And I've already taken a couple casts from on top of the bridge, but the bridge is like super tall, so you can't really cast off the side of it. And I was honestly I got a couple bites. The water's super clear, and there's a lot of bluegill and wasps and spiders and stuff. So I gotta honestly be like pretty quiet. And I gotta get down here without getting stung by a bunch of wasps, which might be more than I've bargained for. I probably should have put my Crocs in sport mode for this. There's a wasp right in front of me. Ooh, we just got a bit right there. And these wasps are starting to get uncomfortably close. And I'm really starting to worry, because I'm so scared of bugs. Like, I know I'm an outdoor channel, but like, I just hate bugs. We're on first fish of the day. It looks like we got a little green sunfish who just absolutely had to choke it. Didn't even need to come up here. But look at that, guys. First fish, green sunfish. And we're gonna hopefully get him back. Let's go. Right down here and get right back out there. Instantly. Oh my. I don't know what that was, but that was so instant. Oh, I think they're smaller fish. Oh, we had one. Dude, this is crazy. Oh, we got a fish. I knew they were smaller fish. Look at this. Another green sunfish. But this one's even smaller. Well, guys, now I know where I need to come if I need bait. Look at this guy. We're gonna get him back. Guys, I was just on the phone with my mom. She was telling me she got me cool stuff. And then I got attacked by a wasp and started screaming and had to get out of there. What I was trying to say is, I'm just using this little pink squid tube jig. We're just gonna try to catch a fish off the bridge real quick. I bet we're gonna get hung up. I bet this is a bad idea. What did I say? What did I say? We're hung up. And it flew. Oh my god, there's a wasp. Get back up here, jig. We're getting out of here. 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 Alright, guys, so we got a bit of a problem here. So I gotta go through all this tall grass instead of walking around the whole pool. But I live in Texas, so who knows what is in here. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try. I got my beating staff in one hand and phone in the other. And the last thing I'm gonna do is stop recording because we are super close to the next bridge. I do have to watch out for snakes in here, like really bad. And I gotta check my legs for ticks after this. Check ourselves. Alright, I think we're good. And the bridge is right there, so let's go. Alright guys, so we got like a super small jig head. And then we got some live bread. Fresh, not dead yet. Good bread. We got a fish. Off the bridge, we got a fish. Look at this sunfish, guys. Look how beautiful that is. So we're gonna release this guy real quick. Just give him a nice swift. Flew down like a piece of paper. Now let's try to catch another one. We got him. It's not a bluegill, it's a sunfish. What are these? I see these in literally every creek ever. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Look at that fish, guys. Beautiful colors. Protecting his nest. I hope he's okay after that drop. Alright guys, so unfortunately that bass did not come back, but I'm gonna leave because I'm getting really hot. My legs are really itchy and bleeding, and I'm getting attacked by wasps. So I'm probably gonna head out. It's probably gonna conclude this video. Thank y'all for joining me on this week's adventure, and I will see y'all on next week's adventure. Peace out.